Russia was never a colonizer on the African continent. Russia has never brought misery to the African continent. Only thing it has ever done for the African continent is to support ourselves, to liberate ourselves, and to ensure that we gain our independence. Rolihlahla Mandela, my grandfather, who initiated these bilaterals between South Africa and Russia. But we are also proud now that we also are jointly belonging to the BRICS Plus family of countries. And in this regard, we are able to forge relations and pursue areas of common interest. Many African countries have had to suffer against colonialism. And in this regard, many of these African countries have had to wage their struggle for liberation in order to liberate themselves from settler colonialists and the occupiers of our lands and our countries. Russia was never a colonizer on the African continent. Russia has never brought misery to the African continent. Only thing it has ever done for the African continent is to support ourselves, to liberate ourselves, and to ensure that we gain our independence. And in this regard, South Africa, after 350 years of colonialism, coupled with 60 years of a brutal apartheid regime, we were able, with the support that we had in the international community and in Russia, we were able to realize our freedom. Russia has been extended its hand in terms of assisting our countries on the African continent in order to develop and create opportunities for our people. And we continuously look to Russia. Even 30 years into our democracy, we have been able to still consider Russia as one of the major countries who support our cause, but it's also an economic partner who supports our economy and ensures that we are able to trade amongst the two countries. BRICS has afforded the global community an alternate to the unipolar system. We have for far too long been suffering by a unipolar system which has focused on one nation state dominating the entire global community in trade, in culture, in sport, in everything. We were totally taken aback as South Africans that the IOC was able to suspend and expel Russia from the Olympics over the Russia-Ukraine conflict. We have registered to the IOC that through the European Muslim Forum, which I'm part of the Global Summit for Palestine organizing committee, that this is not an isolated matter. If Russia has been suspended and expelled from Olympics,